Welcome to a quick peek into Soni Ortho Hospital, situated at Kaimri Road, Sec 15, Hisar, a haven for hip and knee replacement surgeries in Hisar district, Haryana. Boasting state-of-the-art facilities and a highly skilled team, this institution excels in delivering top-notch orthopedic care. What sets Soni Ortho apart? It's their commitment to making quality healthcare accessible to all. They proudly offer treatments under the Ayushman card scheme, ensuring that crucial surgeries aren't a financial burden. But that's not all. This hospital goes a step further. Cashless services are available, making the process smoother and worry-free for patients and their families. At Soni Ortho, the focus isn't just on treatment, it's on your overall well-being. So if you're in need of a hip or knee replacement, remember, Soni Ortho Hospital at Kaimri Road, CC 15, Hisar is ready to welcome you. You can reach out to them at 9896421283. This is your health. Take control. Choose Soni Ortho.